Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your own bonnet. Look at something like this, and also with the head wrap, you can wrap it so it will be like 2-in-1 stuff. So, let's go there. Alright guys, this is what we have. This is what we sew. You can see how it looks so beautiful, right? So you can turn it the way you want. If you don't want to use Ankara, the Ankara side, you just so turn it and use. And also this is a wrap for your hair. If you don't want to just leave it like that, you can just use your Velcro and then attach it, or anything that you want to attach, or you want to sew, you just sew it on it, and that's how it looks. So let me just try it so that you can see how it looks too. So this is it. How beautiful, right? So beautiful. So you go, take it back from behind, and I'm going to use a different style for this one, so you can take it up and take it up again. Just to make sure it's inside. So this is how it looks, and you can draw it a little bit back. You can see how beautiful it looks, and you can change it anyhow you want it. So please guys, please try to like, subscribe, remember to share with friends out there as well. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.